We're here today with Mr. Cathy after completing his master bathroom renovation, and I wanted to hear about his experience working with MHM Remodeling. So, Mr. Cathy, what made you feel confident about choosing MHM Remodeling for your master bathroom?
I didn't have a problem hiring them. This is not the first time I've used them. 10 years ago, the previous residents, they remodeled multiple bathrooms. So when it came time to remodel this, it was easy. They're trustworthy, they do fantastic work. The price is always what they promised it was going to be. It was an easy decision.
And how was your experience with the remodel from start to finish?
The remodeling went well. It went just exactly as we discussed. We met together ahead of time, planned out what we wanted to do. They put it in writing. They did exactly what we asked them to do, and the price was just what they promised.
And would you recommend MHM Remodeling to someone planning a bathroom renovation?
I definitely would. I'd recommend them to anybody. Not because of the cheapest, they're not. They do fantastic work, and you get what you pay for. If you want to pay for a cheap remodel, fine. You want to have a quality remodel, well, hire down.
And what do you think of the quality now that the bathroom is complete?
Now, it's our little showpiece. My wife and I are afraid to walk in here. We don't want to mess it up.
And is there anything else you'd like to share about your experience working with MHM Remodeling?
They're just good people.
Good deal. Thank you.